Okay, so I believe I just experienced another blowout today. I was sitting there talking to the baby's auntie. And we're having this spirited, lively discussion, and then all of a sudden you just hear, and she sticks her feet straight out. And the aunt's like, what? She's never seen it before. I have her in my receiving blanket. And you just hear, so I pick her up, and I'm sitting here with her, and as soon as I do that, she lets out a loud, just, right? How about it got out of the pamper somehow, onto me somehow, through the receiving blanket, and then, like, it's crazy. Through, this is, I have the big one. Let me, through the receiving blanket, then through that, through my pants, and drips onto the floor. How? Then I change her diaper, and there's no marks on her feet, on her thigh. I mean, on her feet, really, on her thigh. Either one of them. So how did they get out the pamper? Straight up the back. And then what makes it so crazy? I was holding her, sitting her up, like when I burp her. So she's sitting up, and somehow, and it's supposed to go down. How did it manage to go up? And I'd say up through her back to the point where, yeah, I'm telling on you, to the point where it was also on her onesie. It was on her onesie. So I thought that was just funny. But what I really thought was hilarious was her aunt's expression. So I'm actually gonna go in here and wash off. Oops. I'm gonna go in here and see what I can do for the wash. This is what her I'm laughing, but I know it's not. Look at that! How in the world did it get through all of that? And then her receiving blanket too. And you can see it, but on my look at that, through my shirt, right? But anyway, that's okay. So I was just like, let me just turn it into a lesson, some advice. So I got her onesie here. I probably should have turned on the water. So I'm using hot water to get out stains and just her a little bit of soap. This is a hot water, just gonna soak down there right quick. Alright, and then it fill up a little bit. I'm gonna get situated. For a second. Alright, while those go, I'm gonna let these soak in the sink right quick. Come back from changing her, and then I'll finish the video right quick. Here we go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna stuff from my thing. I'm gonna change her right quick. And I'm telling on you, but it's to help somebody. Got my blanket. I got my wipes and whatnot. See what I use. And this is a little pad. There we go. A little pad, and I'm gonna put it up right quick. And change her. My towel, change her, I use burnt bees. Get some Desitin with zinc. Anything with zinc oxide helps. Apparently for diaper rash, or I use it for preventing diaper rash. I use the Natural Care. These are wipes. And little Huggies. No, Pampers. Little Pampers brand diaper. And this means newborn. I did not realize that that's what it meant. Because I was like, how are you going to tell what it is if it's not inside of the pack? That's how it's on the front. And apparently I was doing this backwards the first time. The big wings go in the back. And this, with the little wings, is the front. Sometimes it's written on there. I think the other ones are. But let me check. Okay. Alright. So, let me watch. What the? Look at this. I came in this. Oh, that was so sweet though. Okay, so apparently, Bae. Yes. Thank you. That's welcome. So apparently, when I was in a change there, my boo bae came in and he washed and rinsed them for me. See, teamwork, baby. Knuckle you. So I see what happened here. So, okay, well, I was going to show you guys. Okay, so wherever the we did good. Wherever it is, do it in hot water and put I just use a little bit of soap, or maybe soap. Smell like you might have used this. Not soap, but we get the soap and then pretend on here and then wring it out like that. And then rinse it. And wring it out. Show how strong I am. And then you're going to use all your might. So where's the blanket? Oh, I see. Okay. It's hung up. And then I laid it flat. And this hanging up. He did that one. You do the same thing. And you'll be able to hang it up. Or, if you have a drying rack, put it on a drying rack. And that way you can, it's a lot of work. Then you can I'm about to do my shirt. And then Boo Bae came up here and we got dinner. So I'm going to go in here and say goodnight to you guys. I bid you all an adieu. Because Mama's off a recent baby fiance got me some dinner. Ooh, my man crushed my day better than yours. I'm just playing. Anyway, hope that helped. And I did get some of the pacifier holder, and that's pretty helpful. Oops. Ooh, bless you. It has a clip on here. And this is where I put the pacifier from. It's from MAM, M-A-M. And you can take it out. Isn't that cool? That's the first time I'm seeing it. So. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it is. So thank you for sending that. It's been helpful. Alrighty. Hopefully that helped. And if you guys have any tips on what you guys do for blowouts, because people kept saying, "Oh, let me know when you have your first blowout. Let me first blowout." And my friends, I'm like, "What is a blowout?" Got it. Check that off the list. All right, let me know what you guys do to, quickly take care of that situation, especially if you're out. That'd be crazy. I don't particularly know what I would do if I'm just walking around in the grocery store and everywhere. But let me know what you guys do. I'm curious. And what do you use for your cleaning products? Do you use like soap, like the Dreft, or you use just baking soda, or what do you do? Let me know. All right. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Laters.